Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create optimized media in Davinci Resolve. Before generating files, you must choose lightweight format so they don't take up too much disk space. So open project settings, this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Go to master settings as we are right now and scroll down to optimize media and render cache. Set optimize media resolution here. You can set this to original, half, quarter, 1/8 or 1/16. So half is usually the sweet spot for performance versus quality. Then optimize media format. We have here for Windows is low bandwidth is DN, where this HDR, DNHR, DNHRLB. This one here, as you can see, highlighted. This one is with low bandwidth. When you're done with that, just click Save button right here. Once the process is finished, you need to tell the software to prefer these new files over the original. So we will go to the playback menu here at the top and make sure use optimized media if available is checked. Right here, the first one. So you see check here. So it is. Now, I think this is basically it, what you can do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.